Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. If you listen to just one song, you will earn $7. By listening to 2 songs, you can make $14. If you listen to 20 songs, you will earn $140 and so on. I have already made over $521 using this platform simply by listening to music. To get started, go to the search bar and enter the name of the website, which is pixpay.com. Click on the first link to access the website's homepage. On the left side, there is a box. Click on it to begin. Here you will find thousands of copyright-free music tracks in various genres that you can enjoy listening to. In a moment, I will show you how to listen to these music tracks and earn money from them. People are making money with this method every day, as shown by the payment proofs. Some have made $25, $34, $21, and the list goes on. Numerous individuals are earning money through this website daily. Get your computer or smartphone ready, and I will share some secret tricks that will help you maximize your earnings. But first, let's create your free account. Click on Login, then select Sign Up. You can choose to sign up using an email and password or your Facebook or Google account. After signing up and logging in, your account will appear as shown here, displaying your name. As you scroll down, you'll come across trending music tracks suggested by the website. However, we'll focus on the songs at the top of the page to maximize our earnings. Click on More to view all the songs available on the website. If you prefer, you can also download the website's application from Google Play or the App Store, or simply use the website itself. It works worldwide, so regardless of your location, today's method will be applicable to you. Now, let's proceed. Pay close attention to the following tip. Click on all genres to select from the various genres available. I personally recommend the pop genre, which generally offers greater earning potential. Choose it and leave the options for all countries and other settings as they are. This will display hundreds and thousands of pop music tracks. A quick search on Google will confirm that pop is ranked as the #1 genre worldwide. Each of these songs can earn you approximately $7 repeatedly. Our approach is simple. Listen to some of these songs and then download them. Don't worry, it'll make this process extremely easy, even for beginners with no prior online earning experience. Shortly, I'll explain how you can get paid just by listening to and downloading these songs. However, first, you need to download some high-quality songs. While there are thousands of songs available, we won't listen to or download all of them. Instead, we'll focus on the best songs. Let's start with the first song listed here. To start listening to the song, simply click on the play button and it will begin playing. You don't have to listen to the entire song. After listening to a few seconds, if you find it enjoyable, go ahead and download it by clicking on the download icon and selecting free download. The song will start downloading. If you don't like the song and it doesn't meet your preferences, feel free to try another one. Keep doing this until you find a song that you genuinely like. It's crucial to choose songs that resonate with you rather than selecting them randomly. In my case, I like this particular song, so I downloaded it to my computer to demonstrate how to make money with it. You can do the same. Before we move on to the next step, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and let me know which country you're from. Additionally, try to download as many songs as possible, as the more songs you download, the more money you can earn. The next step involves using a website called 3upload.com to actually make money from the songs you downloaded. Pay close attention as I explain the process. As you can see, I've already made over $800 myself using this method, and I'm close to reaching $1,000. Follow my lead as I go to the homepage to demonstrate how it works. Essentially, this website allows us to earn money by sharing our music files. It states upload and share, and then you make money. You can upload various types of files, including images, videos, songs, and more, and you'll be compensated for them. In this case, we'll be focusing on music files. I already have the song ready that I downloaded from Pixpay. It's important to note that this website is completely free. You won't have to spend a dime. Once you upload your song to the site, they will provide you with a link that contains your song. Your task will then be to get people to download and listen to the song from that link. Once people download and listen to the song from your link, you will earn $7. I will guide you through the process and share how you can drive hundreds of people to your link without needing a large social media following or any other specific requirements. By clicking on the Make Money section, you can access more information about the payment process. As shown here, downloads from Tier 1 countries such as the United States, Canada, and Brazil will earn you $7. For Tier 2 countries, the earnings remain at $7, while Tier 3 and Tier 4 countries offer $5 per download. If you scroll down, you'll find various payment methods available, including Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payoneer, and more. The minimum withdrawal amount is just $1, allowing you to start withdrawing money on your very first day. Additionally, you can earn more money through referrals, which involves inviting more people to the website. However, I'll cover this topic in a separate video. Now, let's delve into a real-life example of how to make money with your music track on this website. First, you need to create an account. To do so, click on Sign Up and enter your information, including a username, email address, and password. Choose your preferred payment method. I recommend PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily create one for free. Complete the I'm not a robot verification and hit Submit. Verify your email and return to the website to log in. Click on Upload Files to learn how to upload your songs and monetize them. As for myself, I already have a song ready for upload that I downloaded from the previous website. Make sure you have your song prepared as well. There are various uploading options, but we only need to focus on one specific option, so be sure to select it. Next, click on the blue box labeled Browse Files and select the song you want to upload from your device. In my case, I will choose this specific song. After selecting the file, click on Start Upload, and you will see the uploading process begin. The duration of the upload will depend on the speed of your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, you will be provided with a link. Copy this link, as it will be used to allow people to download the song. When individuals download the song using your link, you will earn money. However, keep in mind that making a substantial amount of money with just one song is unlikely. As mentioned earlier, you will need to repeat this method with multiple songs. Now let's move on to the last step of our video, which is how to generate traffic and attract people to download songs from your link. The process is not complicated. One of the easiest ways is to utilize Facebook. Search for Facebook groups that are related to music, and you can start engaging in conversations with people there, informing them about your link. This will help generate interest and drive traffic to your music. That wraps up our top 4 earning channels. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.